Hi, I'm Tracy, and I'll guide you through how to assemble the Personal Comfort Classic Series mattress. The following instructions are for orders shipped without assembly. If you purchase an adjustable bed base with your order or white glove delivery, your mattress may be delivered fully assembled. If this is the case, please skip ahead to the pump operation section of this video. The Classic Series models arrive in 2 or 3 boxes depending on the size of bed you've purchased. Please use caution when cutting open boxes and plastic wrapping to not damage the mattress components. Before you get started, please make sure you have the following parts. 1 digital air pump, boxed separately. 2 digital controllers, also boxed separately. Please note that all bed sizes come with 2 controllers. 2 air chambers with hoses. 1 2-piece mattress cover, which includes the bottom cover and top panel. 1 foam comfort layer. 2 left and right side rails, 2 head and foot rails. If you're missing any parts, please call customer service at 1-888-694-4088 extension 2. Before you plug in your pump system, we highly recommend using a surge protector. Please note that in the event of a power surge, the Personal Comfort 25-year warranty does not cover damage to the air pump, circuit board, and controllers. For your convenience, you may visit personalcomfortbed.com and download printable instructions by visiting the Assembly Instructions section of our website. Step 1. Remove mattress parts and components from boxes. Remove plastic wrapping around foams. Set aside foam to recover. Foam recovery and expansion process may take up to 60 minutes. Step 2. Have your bed base, foundation, or adjustable bed base ready for your new bed. Step 3. Place bottom mattress cover on foundation as shown. Position the bottom holes facing toward the head of the bed. Do not fold bottom cover down over base. Step 4. Insert side rails inside the bottom cover as shown. Insert foot and head rails as shown. Position rail holes at head of bed. Step 5. If you have dual chambers, please insert first chamber to one side of the mattress frame rails as shown. If your mattress only has a single chamber, please insert the single chamber. Step 6. Position the air chambers with the blue base of the hose connection facing down and slide the white connector through the hole at the head of the bed. Step 7. Place the pump under head of bed frame. Connect both air chamber hoses to the 2 pump hoses. Make sure the left side chamber attaches to the left pump hose. Listen for a click noise. For a single chamber operation, please use only one of the pump hoses. Step 8. Connect the controllers to the appropriate side. Please match up the remote connection with the side of the pump, hose, and mattress you wish to operate. Second, connect pump to an electrical source. Surge protector recommended. Step 9. On the remote, press 2. Use. This will allow you to inflate your air chambers. Then press 1. Pump will turn on and auto-inflate the air chamber. Inflation may take 5 minutes per side. Step 10. Once both air chambers have been filled with air, position them evenly inside the mattress foam frame. Step 11. Unroll comfort layer on top of air chambers. The comfort layer should fit very snug around the edges of the mattress, and you may have to readjust the comfort layer to eliminate bulging. Step 12. Align foam up with all 4 corners. Place top panel on top of the mattress with tag facing the head. To ensure compliance with the federal flammability requirements for mattresses, the fire barrier material behind the zipper and border must be positioned properly. Please position the barrier as shown. Step 13. Zip top panel to the bottom cover. If your mattress comes with foam, it's okay if the foam has a tight fit. Feel free to add any accessory items at this point, like a mattress protector, bed sheets, pillows, etc. Step 14. Now, let's find your ideal number bed setting. I recommend that you start at the maximum number of 50 and decrease this number until the bed is slightly softer than you'd prefer. Then simply raise your number up until you reach your ideal level of comfort. Here's a little hint. Any number below 32 will actually help increase blood flow. We highly recommend you try to train yourself to sleep at a softer setting. This will help prevent tossing and turning at night. Once you've found your number, go ahead and save it as your favorite sleep setting by pressing and holding 1 or 2. Each remote can save up to 2 number bed settings. We hope that this instructional video helped and you'll soon be on your way to enjoying your new personal comfort bed.